Working with a Toshiba DVD recorder and found TSP files on the disk. This is a Toshiba-specific video transport stream file used in their DVD recording products. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common TSP Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. A user with a TSP file is typically trying to play or convert video content from a DVD created on a Toshiba DVD recorder. This file is a proprietary variant of a standard DVD video object, VOB file, containing the actual MPEG-2 video and audio streams from the disk's recordings. The TSP file is essentially a renamed MPEG-2 Program stream, PS container. Similar to a standard VOB file, it multiplexes video, audio, and subtitle data into a single stream. Toshiba used this proprietary extension, likely to associate the media directly with their hardware and accompanying software. VLC Media Player developed by Videoland Project is often used as the source validator for TSP. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows plays video files conveniently, but deeper control needs production software. The key to fixing this TSP file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with VLC Media Player if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the TSP file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, identifying the recording. Connect the Toshiba recorder to a computer, or remove the storage media containing the TSP files. Locate the files in the recorder's media directory and copy them to your computer for playback or conversion using compatible video utilities. Next, playing the video. Open the TSP file in VLC Media Player or MPC-HC, which support a wide range of MPEG-2 transport stream variations. If playback fails, try renaming the extension to TS or M2TS to help the player recognize the format and load the appropriate decoder. Finally, converting to standard format. Use Handbrake, FMPEG, or similar conversion utilities to transcode the TSP file into MP4 or MKV format for broader compatibility. Run FFmpeg, I input, TSP, C copy output, MKV to repackage the streams without re-encoding, preserving original video and audio quality. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.